Hey guys, so Xiaomi is all set to unleash the Mi 10 series, and a day before the launch event I bring you the first hands-on live look to the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Yeah, I know it's kinda blurry, but believe me, this is gonna be one of the gorgeous smartphone of this year. So you can see this design language is like the Galaxy S9 but with the full screen display, and top and bottom chin looks really small. The screen is curved which looks really nice in hands. There you can see a hole punch on top left corner. It's not really a corner but more towards the non-curve area. This thing is running MIUI 11 based on Android 10 and will get MIUI 12 really soon. Now back design looks same like the Mi Note 10, but instead of 5 they're using 4 cameras on back. You can clearly see 108 megapixel branding below the primary shooter, and it's gonna capture some amazing images with the highest resolution. The Xiaomi Mi 10 is coming in white package while the Mi 10 Pro is coming in black package. Sale will start from 14th Feb, day after the launch. Some official information coming in about the design and display. The Xiaomi Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro are using custom AMOLED curved display with 90Hz refresh rate. 90Hz means the screen would refresh 90 times per second. There is also 180Hz touch sampling rate which offers faster touch response to taps, swipes and gestures. Interesting part is the hole punch size is 1.74 mm, which is around the same size as Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus Hole-Punch Selfie Camera. Yeah, this time Xiaomi has spent a lot on research and development to make the custom screen and small punch hole selfie camera. This latest image also confirms there are stereo speakers on top and bottom. I wish it was on the front, but never mind. Image also hints there is an IR blaster, but headphone jack is gone forever. So all in all, this is a perfect design and looks nice in my opinion. Some final specs on the charging mechanism of standard Xiaomi Mi 10. We are getting 50 watts charging, which is awesome. The Mi 10 Pro is getting 65 watts. So 50 watts in standard Mi 10 is super fine. There's 30 watts wireless charging and 10 watts reverse charging mechanism. The Galaxy S20 Plus on the other hand supports 10 watts wireless charging, so 30 watts versus 10 watts, again Xiaomi wins this race. Finally, the final leak pricing of the standard Xiaomi Mi 10 8GB model, 3799 yuan, which is 38,000 Indian rupees / 540 US dollars. Again, this is the standard Mi 10, also 8GB model. The Mi 10 Pro will cost around 3999 yuan for base. So guys, get ready, both these phones are coming tomorrow in China and the global launch is happening on 23rd Feb. Are you excited? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, comment down. Thanks so much for watching, like, subscribe. Meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.